Hey guys, it's Will from Canada Welding Supply. We're here at Fronius to do a little bit of testing on some machines. Right now we're going to test out the AccuPocket on 120 volt supply. Let's check it out. Let's give it a rev. As you guys can see there, the AccuPocket on 120 made short work of this material. Super easy to use. That was my first time stick welding in 4 years, and that's what we came up with. These machines are super easy to use, and you get really good results even on low power. As you guys can see,